Have you changed jobs recently? Do you have multiple HSA accounts with your previous employers? Is your previous HSA provider charging you maintenance fees to maintain those accounts? Well, if that's you, then watch this video and let's get those accounts consolidated. In this video, we'll be transferring from Optum Bank to Fidelity. So first, let's take a look at the HSA transfer, which is a trustee to trustee transfer. And this is a quick 4-step process on the Fidelity site. So after you start, you want to find your HSA provider, and mine was Optum. Now attach any documents. Now you need to provide your account number. So you need to decide where to transfer your assets. It could be an existing account, or you can open a new one. So I already have an existing Fidelity account, so I'll go ahead and select that. And then hit next. You have the option to move the entire account or even parts of it, but this can vary from case to case. I'll be selecting the full account transfer. And then I'll hit next. So you need to attach a copy of your recent Optum Bank statement. You have a couple of options. You can either upload a PDF or take a picture with your phone camera and upload that as well. Now just verify that all the information looks right. And then hit next. Now just read through the terms and conditions, and you can go ahead and sign it. And that's pretty much it. They'll tell you how long it might take to transfer and complete the process. And that's pretty much how you transfer your Optum HSA account to Fidelity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, stay tuned for more.